dry lately, so everything's been needed watered that's outside the aquaponics, but everything inside, of course, since it's growing in water already, doesn't need it. As you see, I got some more work done on this. I put up some shade cloth along those pipes there to keep them out of the sun. I put in the shade cloth along this garden. Same thing, I just stapled in the edges. Planted the rest of my tomatoes in here. I got some basil, these cucumbers in the back that were looking really rough, but it seemed to be doing alright now. You can see, there's maca. These tomatoes look really good up here. They're growing, even the roots are growing inside there, and they're growing down because that water flows. Sweet pea doing good. I got little sweet peas coming off of it. Basil looks good. Everything's going well. Like I said, it's just much easier. Everything inside the aquaponics system is doing a lot better than the stuff out, just because it's been so dry lately. Put the shade cloth around that barrel as well. It keeps the sun off. Fish are all good. Haven't had any issues. They seem to be keeping up with the amount of food that I'm giving them better, so that water warmed up a little bit. Geothermal system's working and running well, and everything's going good. The only big change that we had, I noticed the tadpoles have already turned to frogs, and I don't know if we'll be able to see one. But, after Mike was done getting a drink. The other thing, I apparently installed all of this just for a dog fountain. Right there is a little frog. He's got a little nub of a tail. It's probably a toad or a frog. I can't quite tell when they're that little. But last night I was standing out here and had a toad up here that was croaking, and I've got a little video of that. But yeah, as I said, I don't know if I'll get more in here. Take a look. So, everything's going good, like I said. Snails are all good. I've had a few snails die off, but that was kind of expected. There was a lot of snails. But the one thing they do when they die off, they go get into my drains over there, and they clog the top of the drains, kind of make a high, but I have 3 different drains, so even if 2 get clogged up, I still have enough drainage out of the fish tank into the sump tank. So hopefully in the next couple days I can get those peppers out once they start popping up. These sweet peas that I have planted outside along those beds are looking really good. Got quite a few sweet peas on there. So once those stop producing, I'm going to rip those out and put in the peppers. The basil's doing really well. It's doing the best in the float bed compared to the NFT. But I've got lemon balm back there, and actually you see my toad friend right there underneath it. But the lemon balm's going to come out. I don't really need that. I've got it elsewhere in the yard. I was just seeing if it would start in the system, and it did. So I'm going to pull that out, probably put some more basil back there. But other than that, everything's going good, and haven't had any issues, which I'm just waiting for. But so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, and if you do, you'll get more updates throughout the summer. I'm also going to do some more videos a little more in depth now that it's getting nice, and now that I can see some stuff actually growing and some differences between the systems. Y'all have a good day.